unique features on it that you're not going to find on a lot of buildings. One of them is one I've never seen before, but because I'm familiar with commercial buildings and I've got this intuitive nature, I'm putting the puzzle together. Behind me is an airport runway. These are all part of the FAA beacons that are required at all airports. This is showing the landing path that goes for the planes as they're coming from this direction and shows them linearly as it's going down the runway. They're not part of your inspection, but it's important to understand that there are some components on here that you need to identify. First, if I'm going to be a commercial property inspector, I will photo document this. But what I'm most concerned with is it protected? And having these wonderful bollards all set up around this feature helps us identify the fact that it is protected. So beyond that, I'm just going to take a photo of it, and then other features that we're going to have present on this building, throughout the entire roof system, there'll be red enunciating beacons. Those are required as well to show the roof outline. So I'm just going to, when I'm up on the roof, I'll take a look for those beacons. If I'm not up on the roof because I don't have access, then I'll take those pictures from the ground and I'll include those beacons as well as these beacons, exclude them from my inspection as far as the ComSop goes, but photo document them as my report to let my clients know that you have this on your property, and especially a locked property, because they will have to have somebody get access to these for servicing during business hours or off business hours if these ever fail.